So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelson. Kindly, if it is your first time coming across my video guys, feel free to share, comment and also show me some love by subscribing. So guys, I want us to go through this race, this 4 times 100 race, and see how Jamaica can really put up a good performance. So guys, stay tuned, watch till the end. I'll be back with some comments.
Cheetah Hat, Prukasoran and Puripol Bunson, the individual silver medalists. Jamaica go with Jace Witter, Gary Card, Nyrone Wade and DeAndre Daly in lane 7. In 6, Korea will lead out with Jun Yong Kim handing to Jolyin Namwadi. Third leg will be Dongjin Kim and the anchor will be Hugh John Na. Hong Kong, China qualified in style. It will be Yat Lok Chan on the opening leg, Magnus Johansson on 2, handing to Chun Tik Kwok and James Chan on the anchor. Great Britain and Northern Ireland, Jake Odie Jordan, the medalist in the 200 metres, sets off to Joel Masters, and then it's Dean Patterson with Teddy Wilson on 4. Trinidad and Tobago have Che Jean-Marc Wickham, Kadeem Chinapu, Hakeem Chinapu and Dylan Woodruff as their 4. And on the inside, in 2, Franklin Ewa Jarfoy, Sebastian Sultana, Zachary De La Rocca and Gout Gout, the golden boy of Australian sprinting. They're in lane 2. The seeded lanes here are 5, 6, 7, 8. There is Gout Gout, only 16. First chance to see him. We mentioned yesterday when athletes yawn in this situation, it's tension, not boredom. Body trying to subconsciously get more oxygen on board. So here we go. Jamaica, probably the favourites. Korea were so slick in qualification. If they can do that again, they're a handful for anybody. And Great Britain and Northern Ireland will want a medal from this. Baton changing crucial. France have gone out pretty well on the outside with Delomine. How's the baton changeovers? Everybody's away, but it wasn't too clever for Trinidad and Tobago. And once again, Korea are going well. And they gain on the changeovers. The incoming runner falls to the floor, but his job is done. Korea leading, France going well. Great Britain and Jamaica. And Gout Gout has the baton, but it's a slow changeover on the inside. Great Britain and Northern Ireland being hunted down by Jamaica in the closing stages. It's going to be, oh! Who was it? Between Great Britain and Northern Ireland, the momentum was with Jamaica. He thinks he's got it. And he's right. 39.18, 2 100s ahead of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, with Thailand and another national junior record in 39.39. Well, Gout Gout never got a chance to show what he can do there because he was almost stationary when he actually got the baton within the box. We'll watch that on the changeover. Jamaica are having a day, aren't they?
They practiced and drilled their changes, didn't they? And I think it showed for both teams there, but it was phenomenal running by DeAndre Daly on that last leg to reel in the British team with Teddy Wilson on that final leg. He's having another look at the screen.
2 100s. It was just momentum with Jamaica. Thailand have the individual medalist from the 100, Boonsong. On another day, he could have been the champion. The other 3 won't have got anywhere near international medals. This is class. And hats off to Korea for the way they've risen above themselves.
So congratulations to Jamaica, Puerto Rico, and Howard. These are your medal winners in the 400 meter relay.
So it is silver medals for Great Britain and Northern Ireland celebrating.
They're all a bit overcome, these guys. Sorry.
No, they definitely are.
Oh, that's the Jamaican men's and women's team. Both struck gold. Watch this change over to Gout Gout on the inside. He was ready to roll. He perhaps went a bit soon. Had to slam the brakes on and then go again. Otherwise, Australia would have been in the mix, but if my grandmother had wheels, she would have been a bike. On the outside, France, it's a late surge, but look at the momentum with Jamaica. They're still down at this point. Final 10 meters, gets level and goes ahead.
So guys, welcome back. I hope that you have watched the full race. The race was very enjoyable. I really enjoyed it myself. So guys, you have seen that Jamaican is still performing, that Jamaican is still dominating in the track and field. So guys, I was quite happy that Jamaican was performing good and they became number one. You know, us as Africa, here where I live, us as African, we support Jamaica and we really love Jamaica. So seeing Jamaican pulling up a good performance was such a good vibe. So guys, in my recent videos I've been telling you that here where I live in Kenya, even in my last video I have shown you that here I live in Kenya, that we do love Jamaica and we support them. Even here our buses have graffiti and stickers of the legendary Jamaican beast of the track and field like Usain Bolt. So guys, here in Africa we do love Jamaica and we support them, and in that race Jamaica has showcased that it's still on top. Even though the legends like Usain Bolt have retired, Jamaican is still on top and is dominating in the track and field. So guys, that showcases that Jamaican is not ready to put their flag down. The Jamaican flag is it's gonna be always on top, because those are young people showcasing that Jamaican is still on top. The Jamaican are the beast in the track and field. So guys, it was really enjoyable watching Jamaican winning, and I hope that they will win many races, because here me myself I do love and I support Jamaica, guys. So I remember when I was still young, my father was the one that introduced me to these Olympics. My father was loving the Olympics and he was putting these races, and that is where I know the Usain Bolt. I know him and I know he's very fast and he's very good in the track and field. So guys, much love from Kenya here. We do love and support Jamaican, hoping for the best. So guys, feel free to interact in my comment. What do you think about Jamaican, this upcoming youngster showcase that Jamaican is still on top and winning races? Feel free to share, comment, and also guys, don't forget to show me some love by subscribing. One love.